So when you're using the FTP protocol, first thing you must do is go to the protocol settings and make sure that this enable FTP client function is ticked. You'll notice that there's this thing called the FTP cache size. This is in case your CS60 is not being connected to the FTP server. Okay, you are still able to save up to 1000 images in the cache of the CS60, and then you'll be able to extract the data when you connect the CS60 to your PC or to your laptop. Okay, so once done, you can connect to the sensor and then open a file, open a new job. Okay, for this example, you see that on the left side there's a QR code. Sorry, on the left side there's a data matrix, and on the right side there is a QR code. So I'll program the sensor to detect this data matrix and QR code and count it as 2. So there's basically 2 2D codes in the image. This will be considered as an OK image, and if one of the codes is missing, it will be counted as an OK image. Okay, so I'll trigger. Then I'll use this function over here to count barcodes, to count codes basically, 1D and 2D codes. So identify, you see that the tool has detected 2 different 2D codes, left side data matrix, right side QR code. Okay, so I'll set the parameter 2 and 2. Okay, so when it detects 2 2D codes, it's okay. If I cover one now, detects only 1 2D code, so it is not okay. Okay. So how you're going to do the FTP setup? Very simply, go to the logic function, select the FTP over here. If you have an active FTP server, enter its parameters. Okay, very simple. Once done, once done, you have to set the parameters for the image extraction or the image upload. I'll select both OK and NOK. Okay, because I'm going to save the images to 2 different folders. The OK images will go to the OK folder, NOK images go to the NOK folder. Okay, NOK. Okay, then I will set this thing called the file name. So basically, it's just what is the file name you want to save the images as. Very simply, I'll go to the text. I will save the images using its acquisition ID. Okay. Okay. So once done, all this is being set up properly. You'll see that in this folder over here, later when I do some triggering, or the sensor is being triggered, you see the images either being saved to an OK folder or an NOK folder. So right now, the sensor detects the presence of 2 2D codes, which is an OK image. So I'm going to trigger a few. You see that the images are being saved to an OK folder. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, and if I were to cover one of the 2D code, okay, this becomes an NOK image and is being saved to the NOK folder. Okay, you can see over here, it's all saved here. Okay, and we are also able to save the data for the codes, or we can extract the data, the text data. Okay, select text upload, set the parameters. I'm going to save all the codes, be it whether it's an OK image or an OK image. Define the folder, define the file name. Okay, then you can do your setup. Okay, do your setup. Okay, once setup is done, we'll add in the text. Something like this. Okay, and connect it. So what this does is that what you see later, there will be a new folder appearing after I trigger, and all the data from the codes will be inside a text file. Okay, so I'll do a bit of triggering. See that the data folder has appeared. And within this data folder, open this. Yes, so you can actually extract the data from the codes as well, something like that.